Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Where, guess where we are?
Mañana estoy aquí, pero mucho hambre.
Ooh, look at the bathroom.
Mucho.
Sí.
Janai, we had fun that day.
So we're in IKEA. So today we're just like window shopping, or actually like just looking for stuff for the house. Yeah. This little thing is so cute.
We don't buy sugar like that.
Journey, what is it? What is it?
What?
This.
Okay guys, so we just got some food from IKEA. I got the Swedish meatballs and Janaya got the salmon balls. Yeah.
I'm a little nervous about it.
And my mom, she's sitting over there. I think she got Swedish meatballs as well. But guys, yeah, we're just sitting here eating. I like the view. I love IKEA.
Hi. So we're in Forever 21 right now, and we're looking for an outfit for the Strawberry Festival for Sunday. So hopefully we can find something. But I'm in Forever 21 by the mall, and I just realized they have Riley Rose inside of Forever 21. It's interesting.
So we're in Forever 21, as you can tell, and we're looking for stuff that has strawberries on them. And you guys will see why we're looking for stuff with strawberries on them because we're gonna have a vlog, we're gonna post soon, but I can't. I can't find nothing with strawberries on it anywhere. It's like my mom had found some strawberry. My mom found some strawberry socks. I'm not gonna get those because it's not like they're gonna show. But I found these socks. Chili ramen. That's my favorite type of ramen. Oh, those cute. I'm not getting those $2.99. I don't pay over $1.50 for these socks. $2.
These are $4. But I'm getting these.
This is so cute.
This
What to say? You know, people only pay like $10 for a chicken.
We're out here at the Strawberry Festival.
What's up, you guys?
Where we're
We out
walking
here.
up.
Plant City, Florida. White. Florida. Look.
So guys, we're doing the okay, so I'm gonna do the build your own strawberry shortcake.
He's trying to go by. Whoa, that's a lot.
There's a lot of
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so I made my own. It's the first time.
Taste test.
Taste test.
No, it's actually really good. No, it's really good. It's really good.
It's really good.
Alex, try it.
Is it good?
It's good.
Nice.
I'm gonna eat that thing. We around here, everybody separate. I had a picture.
Ooh. Let me see. Ooh. Near her. Near her.
Oh my goodness.
Two more for choice. Two more for choice.
You're too much. Oh.